even if it takes forever. Nobody do me like this, oh. Oh, no, no, no. Girl, I fit do anything, no, if you could be my lover. Yeah, yeah, I don't mind, baby, please, yo.
Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing fine. I am here with my baby girl, and this is a very impromptu plan, okay? We have gotten ready. We went shopping. I picked up this outfit just now, and we said let's go eat something, and I was like, you know what, I'm not dressed to go anywhere, and I was like, yeah, I have the outfit, so let's wear it. Just bought this, put it on, and we're here now. We're here at 3 Olives. It's on the football ground. Let's see what we get. And it's got, you know what's an interesting thing, there are sprinklers here and the water is like falling on us and it's making us feel like we're in some rainforest thing. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the water sprinkler system and it's keeping us really cool, keeping the environment really cool in the heat.
Angelina, you want me for walk, oh. Yeah. I did tell you my mind, oh. If you leave me, not die, yo, 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 yo. Angelina, you want me for walk, oh. Yeah. I did tell you my mind, oh. If you leave me, not die, yo.
There is a pork special menu, but neither she nor me eats pork, so that's not happening.
Yo, 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 yo. Oh baby, make we day together. Gucci, Fendi, any designer for your body, for your body. Oh my darling, you know get wala. Any day come and chop my rubber, see the money.
I had to cut the audio here because of background music and I would get copyrighted, but basically what I'm saying is we got a drink called Bora Bora. It's from their 3 Olives special cocktail menu. This is divine. I really love this drink. Definitely would recommend this.
The thali is here. We got our sonak thali. I think what we have here is rice, fish curry, vegetables. I think this is, what bhaji is this? Beans bhaji, tisreo, some more vegetables I think, pickle, salt curry, pineapple, sorry, watermelon and chapati. We got extra rice and she's laughing at me because I called it pineapple. Listen, it's too hot, okay? My brains are not working. Our drink is really good and I think this is a pineapple juice. I'd seen it in somebody's video. Okay. I think it's a pineapple juice. Let's try it.
I tell you my mind, oh. If you leave me, not die, yo, 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 yo. Angelina, you want me.
Okay, so this has pieces of fish in it. I think it's kind of like a kismur thing. I think that's a piece of fish. I ate it. Tastes nice. Let's get into it. She has already started. I'm eating in the thali. She's eating in the plate. What do you said this was? Like a pineapple juice, something mix. I'm here to try it out.
A few moments later.
How did you enjoy the thali?
Okay, boss.
Yeah, I didn't like the sonak that much. The thali quantity was also okay. But I recommend this for the thali, no. But I think you guys should come and check out their grills and stuff. I think next time I'm gonna come and check that out. But for the thali, no.
Angelina, you want me for walk, oh. Yeah. I did tell you my mind, oh. If you leave me, not die, yo, 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 yo. Angelina, say you owe me for walk, oh.
Hello. Welcome to a very messy me and my brother. I just climbed up like 3 floors, so gotta work on the cardio, but give me a break. Okay, I'm currently in an apartment that we're renovating. This is Dad's building. This is on the last floor. We're renovating it and then it's going to be sold. So I'm over there. I will show you guys around. The work is going on. Say hello to little copy here. Na video katta. So this actually over here, this used to be a balcony, but the owners broke it and extended this, so this is what the living room is like. When you enter, this is going to be changed now. This used to be open and this is covered now. The windows are there. All this is going to be done up. Okay, there's currently work going on there. This is bedroom 1. I don't know if I think we're going to be repainting this. It's currently a yellow color. I hate yellow. The doors also are going to be done up. The tiles are here.
Look at the tube light now.
Okay. This is being done now. That is the kitchen and the bathroom.
Hello.
This is bathroom 2. This is on the second floor. I honestly love the living room of this. It is so huge, and it's also so bright because the windows are like all open. It gets really nice and bright. If any of you are interested in purchasing any of the apartments, comment down below and I'll get in contact with you guys.